Hey guys, it's another Pokemon video and we're going to be trying to get the seal right there on the nearby list. If we can't get him, at least we'll be going to a gym, maybe leveling it up. Holy, I did not know you could catch Vaporons out in the wild, and there's one nearby, so my brother won't have to evolve that, luckily, if we find it. So that's also another thing we want to catch. And also, we want to go over to that park and get Pokestop Liam stock. Oh, Liam, by the way, see the Vaporons nearby? You won't have to evolve into him if you find him. Wait, who's that? Shelter. Do you have him? Shelter? No, you don't. You don't have Shelter.
Let me see it.
You don't have Shelter.
Let me see Shelter. Yeah, I do. Oh, wait, no, I don't have Shelter.
Yeah, get Shelter.
Shelter.
By the way, guys, sorry I couldn't start the video earlier. I just decided to start it. This is my brother's Rattata he put in. I don't know why he put that in. This is my Snorlax and someone else's 476. Close. I have. Oh, you already have Shelter.
Shelter.
You already have Shelter, though.
I know. Stop. You saw him.
I know. If he's gone, it's okay.
He's not gone.
They go. Wait. Shelter. Oh my god, was that an Aerodactyl nearby?
Run away.
Wait, no, it wasn't, but jeez. Guys, on my brother, it shows a Rhydon nearby. One on the tail. Nearby. Or it's either Nidoking or... he's right there. I need him. I think it's a Nidoking or Queen. But I have no idea. I need a Vaporon. I just got... Well, I need another Vaporon that would be higher CP or better than my one. I already have because mine's only 1260 something, I think. I have no idea. But I don't have any more revives either. Yeah, so that's bad. And I barely have any Pokeballs. So that's bad, but we'll see how this episode turns out. Hope you guys enjoy. And we're getting closer to the Vaporon.
What?
We're getting closer to the Vaporon. It's now in second. Now it's in third.
If there's the Vaporon.
And if the seal shows up, and if what I really want shows up, the Nidoking or Queen. I have no idea what it is. Oh, by the way, guys, this episode, we probably won't hatch them this episode, but we are working on hatching a 10K and 2 5K eggs. We're getting closer to the Nidoking and the Vaporon. So this is good because I really need a Nidoking, and that Vaporon will probably be good for us. Yeah, we just saw a guy over at that gym, but he put in a Torch. He was Mystic too. What? Sure. Raichu's amazing, even if he's low. Okay, so guys, also, we might just level up the gym once and then leave. It's probably what we're gonna do. This gym isn't really that high of a level. We need it leveled up a bit, and yeah, that's about it. So, oh dang it, Nidoking's gone. Yeah. No, Nidoking's gone, but Seal I need way more of to evolve. I'm sad that you and Dad got that Seal by only using a Pokeball, and I had to use a Great Ball in Raspberry, and he ran on me. But anyway, only need a few more candy. I can evolve him, so that's good. And I want to see this Vaporon, see if it's any good. And I do need a better... So my Vaporon, it has Water Gun, which is a really good attack, but then its special is Water Pulse, which is like the worst one ever. Okay, so going along a different road. Don't know if this will get us away from the Pokemon, but we can battle now. It's a bit windy, but let's go vape. I just want you guys to watch this own. It's like amazing. Look at this. I didn't even heal my Vaporeon and look. Dead. One tap. Down. I will. I will.
How? Show me.
You don't go in the gym.
Show me.
Wait till I'm done battling. Okay? I'm almost done.
Oh, I have other heals, guys. See, look.
I know, but those guys suck. Water pulse and another hit. This guy should get. Okay, so we are.
Why am I using a bat?
Vaporeon is still nearby. And that seal's gone though. Okay, then let's keep going.
Okay, how do you heal?
Click this. And go there.
What?
Revive all of these guys. You only have 10 revives. You can only heal your favorites. And then use potions. You can only click it once with a revive.
Okay, stop. Why are you healing them all the way?
It's a revive. It's not supposed to.
How do you heal them all the way?
Finished with all these guys. No. Okay. You can't. You have one more guy.
What should I do it on?
Johto.
Hit him?
Yeah. Okay, now go to potions and click all these guys until they're fully healed. When we're walking. Come on, John. Go, guys. By the way, I'm walking my dog when doing this. So. Sorry guys, it's starting to rain. I have to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will make another one tomorrow, so see you.